Hi guys, Siddharth Rajsekar here. Welcome to this Facebook live session where I'm going to be walking you through my top tools that I use on a day-to-day basis, which I cannot live without. Okay, there's a bunch of tools that I've tested. I've tested over 300 tools over the last few years, and I'm coming on Facebook Live just to give you the stuff that I cannot live without. Okay, let's see who are all coming in right now on Facebook Live. I'm just going to see the names popping in. Awesome. Let's see who's all coming in. Just looking at your names over here. Excellent. Just type a big hi in the comment box. Okay, so welcome. I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite tools. After testing over 300 plus tools in the online space, here are my top 16. Okay, are all of you ready? Hi Vandana, nice to see you over here. Nice to have you here. Okay, let's get into it because I'm going to now share my screen and I'm going to share with you not just tools but even resources. Starting with number one. The first resource that I use a lot on a day-to-day basis, if you can see my screen, is Masterclass.com. Masterclass.com it's a subscription that I paid for. I think it was 12,000 rupees per year. And this is where I learn different stuff from the master. So I'm learning filmmaking from Werner Herzog. I'm learning photography from Annie. I've been learning about design and architecture. I'm a musician too, right? So you can see that I've been learning about film music scoring, how to write. Of course, I also used to be a DJ at some time back. So I'm also going and listening, tuning into how Armin van Buren produces trance music and a whole bunch of stuff. These are different courses that I'm taking right now. And it's really worth it, for you to have an expansive knowledge on various different topics. Go check out masterclass.com. Okay, this is a tool every day. I either listen to TED videos or I tune into Masterclass at least for 30 minutes to an hour a day, just to get some inspiration from the best of the best people in the world in their industry, those who are specialists in their domain. Okay, so the next tool, let's come down to tools. Okay, when it comes to buying domains and stuff, I go with Namecheap.com. Okay, Namecheap is my where I have all my domains there. Yes, you can buy it on GoDaddy, and there are many other providers. But for ease, for the way that these guys manage and their customer support and stuff, and they are not really pushy and salesy like many other companies, Namecheap is my go-to destination for buying domains. Okay, this is my second tool here. The third tool where I pick up my hosting and stuff is Bluehost. And if you guys are thinking of buying your own website or setting up your website or your blog, I would highly recommend Bluehost. Okay, I'm going to give you all a link where you can go and access all these 16 tools in one go, in one page. Okay, so some of them may be my affiliate links. You can go and check it out and click and buy from there. But now when it comes to hosting, there's shared hosting, there's cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, WooCommerce, a whole bunch of hosting. If you're somebody new starting off, you can start off with shared hosting, but I would recommend cloud hosting if you're somebody who's more serious to build your own blog and take it forward. If you're very sure about WordPress, nothing like WordPress hosting. So Bluehost is my tool for hosting. The next tool that I cannot live without is Getresponse. Getresponse is the tool that I use to send out emails to my list. Again, there are many players out in the market. You have Drip, you've got Aweber, you have Constant Contact, you've got a whole bunch of other service tools that you can use for email marketing. And one of the reasons I like Getresponse is I have a large list there. I've been using it for many years. That's one. Their customer support is good, and their development team, they're constantly innovating on new features. For example, Getresponse has their own email marketing, which is their core. They have an inbuilt webinar system, a landing page system, marketing automation. And many of these marketing automation tools that cost like $300, $400 per month, you can start with Getresponse as low as $50 per month. Okay, so if you're planning to pick up a Getresponse subscription, go to my resources page where I'll be giving the link up there. Check it out and start your free trial. Experience it. Okay. Now the other tool that I've been using a lot recently is CollectChat. Okay, so collect.chat. It's a chat bot which I use on my website. So you can go to my website and see, this is the tools which I was telling you about. When you go to my website and investigate yourself, you'll see in the bottom left a chat bot that pops up here. and it really works well. I've tested many chatbot engines there, but the logic and the automation that I can set into this is brilliant. And I have an API integration between this chatbot and Getresponse. So if anybody gives your email, it goes into my my Getresponse email ID. So this is a way on how I'm able to collect leads into my database through a conversation. So collect.chat is my next tool. By the way, are you guys having fun? Yeah, just type awesome in the chat box. If you're finding this useful, just type useful or just type awesome in the chat box, because I'm opening up my Rolodex of my top tools after testing over 300 of them. The next tool that I use a lot is Manychat. Okay, so Manychat is my, again, chatbot engine for my own fan page. So like now I have around 1,400 subscribers, and anybody, if you're watching this for the first time, just go to asksids.com, ASKSIDZ.com. You'll actually land on my messenger chatbot, and you just type me a hi message. If you type me a hi, you'll see my chatbot will respond back to you with a hi. So CollectChat works well on your website. Manychat works well for your Facebook Messenger. Okay, I've not been actively growing the subscriber base, but I'll be doing that soon. But I've grown this to a large extent, and my open rates, whenever I send a broadcast message to my list using Manychat, my open rates are really, really high. Okay. The other tool that I cannot live without is Grammarly. Okay, so Grammarly is it's a Chrome extension that I have installed. So many of us, we are not good in spellings, and there's a lot of typos and stuff. So I use Grammarly Chrome extension. So as I'm typing, I'm able to do a spell check then and there. So I'm not on the premium version. I was on the premium version, but I don't need it based on my need. They also have a desktop version if you're on a Mac. I think they also have a PC version if I'm not mistaken. But just download the Chrome version of Grammarly, and you will be able to use that. The other tool I cannot live without is ClickFunnels. Okay, ClickFunnels is my funnel building system, where I build multiple landing pages for my own promotions, for my own blog promotions and other stuff. And especially if you're an author, speaker, coach, you want to build a funnel-based approach to your business, then this is one tool to really check out, okay, to really consider. You can start off with a trial version. There's a link to it. I'll give you a link to my ClickFunnels affiliate account. You can go check it out, test it out. It costs $97 per month. It is, but you get a full-fledged access to how to build funnels, and they have a brilliant education system built into it. Okay, so ClickFunnels is the tool that I would recommend if you want to build multiple layers and multiple funnels, even if you're not knowledgeable in coding and all the stuff. Or they have plug and play templates. You just pick up those templates and start building your landing pages. I also love Instapage. Instapage is also one of the most powerful landing pages platforms that I've used. Between ClickFunnels and Instapage, it's going head to head. ClickFunnels, I like it because of the funnel-based approach. Instapage, I like it because it's very fast to set up, and you can set up lead generation pages very quickly using this particular tool. There are many others out there in the market, like Unbounce and Lead Pages and many others, but I've tested all of them. When it comes to user friendliness and ease of use and simplicity, and with good education and good support, Instapage is the one. Okay, Instapage is the one. Instapage and ClickFunnels, these two are the ones that I would recommend. Then for payment gateways, if you're in India, there's another tool that I cannot live without. Even we collect all our payments using InstaMojo. So if you want to really collect payments for your services, for your products, go and set up an InstaMojo account. This is for Indian payment gateways, Indian payment gateway, if you want to do this. So check this out. There's also Razorpay, but between the two, I would say InstaMojo is more simpler to set up and get going. Another tool which I cannot live without is of course PayPal. Okay, so PayPal is my international payment gateway. Now PayPal is also there in India. You can even transfer money from one PayPal to the other PayPal account. They've opened that up, which is long pending. It was long due from PayPal, and I'm glad they've done this. So all my international commissions from my different products that I'm selling as an affiliate, all of them come through PayPal, and you can wire it directly into your bank account. So another tool that I cannot live without is PayPal for receiving money. Another tool, it's not a tool, but it's again more to do with collecting of funds and affiliate marketing. Another bank that I cannot live without is ClickBank. So I'm a ClickBank user, and I promote a bunch of tools and products through ClickBank. And every week I look forward to Wednesdays, because Wednesdays are my commission days. And yeah, so every morning on Wednesday I get notifications of commissions coming from ClickBank. Especially if you're somebody who wants to get into the game of affiliate marketing, if you want to really sell different kinds of affiliate products, irrespective of your industry, go check out ClickBank, go and see their marketplace, and you can go to the affiliate marketplace. You'll find a lot of products to promote. Another tool that I cannot live without is Teachable. Okay, so there's a link from my website, but in essence, Teachable is my e-learning platform. There are many platforms. There's even like Thinkific, Kajabi, and there are many others out there. But I prefer Teachable because it's much more user-friendly, and I've been using it for the last 3 years. I've got my entire student community that I train online in my Launchpad courses and other courses sitting on teachable.com. Go and check it out. You can set up your own online e-commerce, your online training system for as low as like $39 per month. Okay, and if you want more features, it goes up to $99 to $99. So very, very good plug-and-play online school which you can set up for yourself. Okay, then another tool which I use a lot is Demio. Okay, Demio is my webinar platform which I run my weekly webinars. I also use Zoom. Okay, Zoom is another tool which I use for all my internal webinars, but for my sales webinars, whenever I'm selling my products or selling my services, I use Demio. It's one of the best systems that I've seen out there. And again, I'm an affiliate of Demio. Pricing is little on the higher side, I would say, but it's really worth it. Higher side is, if you're paying on a monthly basis, starts with $74 per month. All of you can start with this. If you're a trainer, speaker, you want to run webinars and really sell through them with under 100 attendees in your room, you can start with Demio. And as you start moving up, it'll move up to $154 per month for 250 attendees. And they have some really cool features like live like replay. So you can do a webinar, it'll be recorded, and you can switch it to a live like replay, and you send the link, and when people log into the webinar, they'll feel that they're watching it live. It'll have all the actions and all the comments happening live. So very cool features there. Another tool that I cannot live without is Wistia. Wistia is great for private hosted videos. So many of our, my videos which I share with my private network, with my private group, those are in fact going through our, online training. I do not want these videos to be sitting on YouTube. YouTube is public domain. Anything that's promotional or public domain, it can be there. But Wistia is great for private hosted videos. So you can have your video sitting there, this lady is dancing out there. You can share that link to the video. You can password protect the video. And only when people can click on the password, then they can watch the video. And once they watch the video, you'll be able to track and see how many people have watched that video and at what second they have dropped off. It'll give you more detailed analytics compared to YouTube. Okay. And finally, another tool which I cannot live without is ClickMagick. So ClickMagick is my all-in-one tracking and optimizing tool where I'm able to track exactly how many clicks am I getting on all my promotions, how many people are coming, how many leads am I converting, how many customers am I converting, what kind of revenues am I getting. It's a click tracking system. Okay, it's a click tracking system. So this is another tool which gives me very good clarity on my business as far as the promotions are concerned, especially when I'm running Facebook ads. I know exactly which campaign is converting at what percentage, even though Facebook gives data, but I still rely on ClickMagick for tracking my lead conversions and so on. So do you want to, for you to get your hands on this entire list, go to siddharthrajsekar.com/tools. And I've given a list, and I've given some tutorials also. You can go and watch some of the videos on how to set things up, how to set up, Getresponse, how to set up Instapage. You can go and watch some of my tutorials there and test out some of these tools, because these are essential for my business. Personally, if you see, I spend maybe over 25,000 rupees per month just on some of these tools, which contribute to my success on the internet. It is like my online operating costs of my online office, my virtual office. And even as a business, my company, we spend close to $1,000 a month on tools. And we're spending on these tools. Whatever I've mentioned here, these are the most essential tools that I use on a day-to-day basis. And For me, I believe in quality, I believe in simplicity, and I also believe in like ease of use. So the learning curve needs to be really fast, and that is why after testing more than 300 tools, these are the ones that I'm using and that I find it very useful. So if you guys are really keen on them, go to siddharthrajsekar.com/tools. Go and test out any one of these tools. Now that I've given you an explanation of what each tool does. Okay. What I would like you to do right now is hit the share button right now. Hit the share button, share this video and pay it forward, because if you found value in this particular session, you could be helping at least another 10, 20, 30 other people who could possibly transform their business just by looking at this video. Because I know some of these tools here are phenomenal. They're really, really great, and it can transform businesses. So hit the share button and drop a comment below on which tool did you like the best. Which is your number one pick from this list of 15 to 16 different tools that I shared. Give me your favorite list, your favorite tool here. In the meantime, let me just sign off. And you've been an awesome audience till now watching this here. Okay. See you guys and keep watching out for more of my sessions. Bye-bye.